everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now we have to enter developer options, and if you cannot find the developer options in your system settings, no worries, it's quite normal because they are usually not activated defaultly. So we've got the tutorial of how to enable developer options, but I can quickly explain it to you. All you have to do is to simply find the build number, which should be in About Phone. Then you have to keep tapping on it until you see the information that the developer options are active. And after that, simply go to the system settings and enter developer options. And if we are on the developer options, then all we have to do is to simply scroll in order to find System UI Demo Mode. So let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got two different options. So first of all, we can enable the demo mode without actually showing it, and we can show it just by tapping on the second switcher. And here on the status bar, we've got some changes, we've got some differences. So first of all, the clock has been halted on the 12 o'clock. What's more, all of the icons are in their full state. So again, if you want to hide it, just tap on this switcher, and if you want to turn it off completely, just tap on this enable demo mode switcher. So actually this is it. This is how to enable the demo mode in your Google Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.